मतलब फेस लाइन चेक करना फेस लाइन राइट लाइन चेक करना फेस लाइन बॉडी चेक
भाई बाइक से करो.
The trailer of Student of the Year 2 and then we'll invite the entire cast over here and we'll launch the song और जानेंगे मुंबई की कुड़ियाँ ज़्यादा cool होती हैं या दिल्ली दी कुड़ियाँ ज़्यादा hot. So we'll get to know. आप लोग अपने comments reserved रखें अभी. Can we have the trailer please? दिन साल महीने बीतते जा रहे यार काश ऐसे स्कूल में मेरे इतना गुस्से में क्यों अच्छा था है ना तो can we give a big round of applause to the trailer ladies and gentlemen मैं सहम गया हूँ देख रहे हो यहाँ पे anyway what we'll do is we'll take a look at the song लेकिन उससे पहले मुझे आप लोगों से बात करनी पड़ेगी because we are waiting for the actors so मैं नीचे आऊँगा और I know everybody would be like नहीं मुझसे कुछ मत पूछ यार मैं एक ही इंसान से यहाँ कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ जिनके कल जलवे थे है ना How are you sir?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
So school life कैसी थी? Movie Student of the Year 2 on stage. So who should we start with? I think we'll start with the director, the captain of the ship, Puneet Malhotra, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him. I'm sure he's here. They're walking in. धीरे धीरे हौले हौले अच्छा ओके कोई बात नहीं मैंने तो यहाँ खत्म करवा दिया यार सब कुछ जी कुछ आ रहा है वहां से हाँ Alright, we'll just wait for him, right? For a minute. मैथ्स का सीरियसली मैंने ना अभी एक रिसेंटली आई पोस्टेड अ स्टोरी जहां मैंने लिखा था मैथ्स का वो नाइटमेरिश ड्रीम्स अभी भी होते हैं सो एवरीबडी सेज कि यार हमको भी आते हैं दैट इज वन थिंग मैं टाइम पास करने के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ जेन्युइनली यू नो मैथ्स आज भी मुझे लगता है देन आई रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ कि भैया नहीं अब नहीं हो रहा है So ladies and gentlemen, जैसा मैंने कहा था, the captain of the ship, give it up for Puneet Malhotra, the very gorgeous Ananya Pandey, Tara Sutaria, and of course, the one, the only, the heartthrob of the nation. Give it up for Tiger Shroff. Come on, make some noise, yeah? खुशी की बात है, दुख थोड़ी है. Welcome, hi, how are you? So good to see you. Hi Tara, you looking gorgeous. Welcome. Bye, welcome. So good to see you. Hi Puneet, congratulations. You know, I must say the first thing and I think the credit goes to you, बहुत सारा, because you know with directors what happens is कि people say कि यार ठीक है actors ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, producer ने बड़ा सारा पैसा लगा दिया, लेकिन directors को कहीं ना कहीं वो जो credit होता है वो नहीं मिलता है तो मैं चाहूँगा सबसे पहले give it up for Puneet Malhotra, ladies and gentlemen, because he's done a wonderful job. Thank you.
We're very excited about the song.
Right.
It's a nice, fun Indian song.
Right.
And Remo's choreographed it.
Yeah.
We've gone all out. I'm only hoping the audience also likes
I'm
it.
sure they're gonna love it. The excitement is superb. Just tell me one thing. You know, when you have three beautiful, hot शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे यार इतने कमाल के लोग एक स्क्रीन पे हाउ डू यू मैनेज कि यार इसको भी इतना स्क्रीन पे इसको भी इतना स्क्रीन स्पेस इसको भी ऐसे हाउ डू यू मैनेज इट
जो जल्दी सेट पे आते हैं उसको मिल जाता है
दैट्स वन सीक्रेट जो अभी सबको पता है हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू अनन्या फॉर दिस सॉन्ग
I'm so excited. I think Tara and I were dying to have an Indian song. After watching Radha, we were like, please, can we have an Indian song?
Yes.
We wanted to wear the ghagras and dance and
Yeah.
do all the masala, and also we're very excited.
right Tara what do you have to add to that
I think we're so thrilled that we get to wear these beautiful clothes, shoot in such a gorgeous location,
Right.
and do an Indian song with Tiger. So we're just very, very excited.
and I have seen the song this is like one of the most colorful one of the most peppiest numbers and I'm sure लोग पागल होने वाले हैं Tiger what do you have to say because you know off screen whenever we've seen you you're this humble बड़ा अच्छा इंसान और वहाँ जाते ही आग लग जाती है कुछ हो जाता है she's like नहीं ऐसा नहीं है no he's always been this humble very nice guy.
no Tiger हर जगह आग लगाता है
आग तो लगाते हैं so what do you have to say about this song you know
I think the vibe was कि आग लगाना था So, you know, we had to go all out in that sense.
Yes.
And these two fiery girls, I had to keep up with them because I couldn't be my cool self or my wannabe cool self. But yeah, I was just really having a good time, and you know, it was the last thing we shot of the film.
Yes.
So that being said, we just all had a great time just shooting, and you can just see the vibe. Once you see the video, you'll come to know that we were just having a good time.
So you know, trailer को बहुत सारे views मिले. Everybody just loved the trailer. उसके बाद ये जवानी ने आग लगा दी. I'm sure this is gonna be something different. So let's take a look at this brand new गाना. Mumbai, Delhi दी कुड़िया. All eyes on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, make some noise. हाँ, समी हो गया है. Make more noise. All right, that's how we do it.
Girls, 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 you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up. You know they want it. Girls, 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 you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up.
हर ओर मशहूर करे दुनिया का टूर तेरी स्टोरियां हक जाए सब चूर तेरी
मेरे को तो ऐसा आँख ही नहीं हटाने का. Can we like अच्छा खत्म हो गया. अच्छा, it's like that कि एकदम घुसी जा रहे हैं. आज nobody is gonna sleep. रात भर कोई नहीं सोने वाला because this is gonna be on loop. हर कोई देखने वाला है इस वीडियो को. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for the entire कमाल की cast and of course the director of Student of the Year to come and make some noise. Ananya Pandey, Tara Sutaria, Tiger Shroff and of course Puneet Malhotra. एक बार वापस से request you wonderful people to grace the stage. That was something. Fire brigades वगैरह. Harsh, we've done that, right? हाँ, है ना पूरा fire engines वगैरह? हाँ, सही है. सच में this was literally आग लगा देने वाला गाना. Okay, Ananya, tell me one thing. You know, दिल्ली, मुंबई की जो कुड़ियाँ होते हैं, उनका हमेशा से comparison होता है. So, कौन ज़्यादा cool होती हैं?
My mom's from Delhi and I'm from Mumbai. So both? Can I say both? Okay, actually Mumbai. Sorry.
ठीक है, मुंबई. मुंबई को एक vote. Tara, what do you have to say?
I'm a Bombay girl, a Mumbai girl, so
course.
Mumbai girls all the way.
Right, you know, Tiger, talking about your female fan following, मतलब across the globe सब लोग इतना सारा प्यार करते हैं. So if I had to ask you, कहाँ से ज़्यादा प्यार भरे comments आते हैं? Whether is it Delhi or Mumbai?
You know, I'm very lucky that I got a lot of love from both places.
Right.
And both girls in the song.
Too much, yeah.
हालांकि सच बात ये है कि जब भी दिल्ली जाता हूँ मैं I get a lot of I guess the people they are very open
Right.
and outgoing in that
Right.
sense, so they express a lot more.
Right.
But yeah, I would say more or less equal.
Equal. Puneet, I want you to tell us, तीनों में एक-एक चीज जिसको लेके दुनिया is just going mad and gaga over this film and this cast. Yeah. तीनों के बारे में एक-एक quality. We'll start with Ananya. Yeah, she's like मेरे बारे में सबसे पहले बोलो.
I don't think Ananya has any of those qualities. Ananya is the sweetest and the most endearing girl that you can ever find.
Right.
She's like the baby on set.
Right.
So when you see the film and you see any of it, you know that completely translates. You see how endearing she is.
Right.
Tiger is the big star. No one can say anything about him that's you know going to do justice to his persona.
Right.
He is the most positive person. The moment he walks onto a set, you have to see the energy he generates. So I mean, full credit to Tiger for that. I'm being sweet, huh?
You just said it.
Tara is just the sweetest, the prettiest girl you'll see. You know, the first time we saw her, I knew that she had to be part of Student of the Year.
Right.
All of it, and literally all her beauty transcends on screen, and you see that in every frame of the film.
Right. Didn't you want to be in this song? मतलब ऐसा लगा कि मैं भी आके dance
हम
करूँ.
लोग सब नाचे उसके बाद. We all jumped on the grapes, tried to make wine,
Right.
and tried to do it, but no, it failed.
कृपया इसे खुद से घर में ना करे और करे तो सावधानी से करे. A lot of people are going to do this. अपना farm house weddings में चलो वो करते हैं जो इन तीनों ने किया. You know, if you guys had
तीनों ने और भी बहुत कुछ किया गाने में. Tiger's the first hero who has see the music piece again.
yes, we've just seen that. और ऐसा was it on a trampoline or something?
Ananya insists. This was choreographed by Ananya.
Really? Okay. So all I want to say is do not try that at home or wherever because that's pretty difficult. कितना takes लिए उसके लिए? Tara, you tell me.
For the trampoline shot?
Yeah.
We actually got it right in one take.
Right. Ananya, वो सच बोल रही हैं?
Hers was 1 take, mine was 8 takes, so we
And-
not that.
And was it on purpose or?
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Right.
Ananya came to me. हुआ ये था कि trailer release हो गया था हमारा. So Ananya came to me and said, Puneet, you know, in the trailer you've shown a nice kissing shot of Tara and Tiger.
Right.
Why should I be left out? And it's
Right.
not cool and all.
Right.
So we said, okay, chalo, we'll do one more on the song.
Thank you.
We did that, and then Tara comes and said, that's not fair. It's
What?
not
I
fair."
never said
She
that.
did, she did,
I
she did.
never said that. What rubbish.
Okay, Tiger, I want to ask you, you know, when you were briefed about the song and you were told कि trampoline के ऊपर ये कुछ अलग करना, because every time, you know, you take it to some other level और यहाँ पे तो literally it's on some other level. So how was it?
Actually, I didn't know until the day we shot about the trampoline.
It's a lie.
तो पुनीत सर ने मुझे कुछ वार्निंग दिया ही नहीं.
अच्छा,
तो basically it was very impromptu whatever happened, and I'm just glad it worked out.
ये खाली superstars के साथ होता है ऐसा impromptu वाला, तो आप लोग ज़्यादा उम्मीदें ना पाले. What we'll do is we'll have another thing. How many of you want to see them do some latka jhatkas on this stage? You'll have to
I
make
have
some
to.
noise
Woo!
for that. Shukla ji,
Not
come
the
on.
trampoline.
Some more noise, come on, yeah. Woo-hoo. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that. All right, so it's time for some. Puneet sir, I don't want you to go. You have to join them. Acha, theek hai. So he's gone. Can we have the music? Yes, without mics. हाँ मैं वही सोच I that's what I was wondering कहाँ है भाई? एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
और
Come on.
मशहूर करे दुनिया का टूर तेरी स्टोरियां हक जाए सब चूर तेरी मस्ती खत्म नहीं होंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया
All right, that was something. Puneet sir, where is Puneet sir? किधर गए sir? Sir, what do you think sir? मुझे special request आया है that I can't let you go ऐसे. आइए तो. No. Come on, you guys have to, you know, please. Puneet sir, no, public demand sir. I can't do anything.
Sir, just the hook step. Just the hook step.
इन्होंने मेरे को set पे बहुत नचाया है.
Just the hook step.
What do you guys say?
अरे it's easy, Puneet.
नहीं दिल तोड़ के ना जा. अच्छा ठीक है, बातें तो करने के लिए आ जाइए. Come on, give it up for Tiger, Ananya, and of course Tara, and साथ में पुनीत मल्होत्रा. सर ऐसे कैसे सर, इतने खूबसूरत लोग बोल रहे हैं सर. Okay, what we'll do is we'll take your questions now. So कहाँ से शुरुआत करने वाले हम लोग? किधर है? Yes, पाजी. We'll take the questions. जी.
ओके टाइगर हेलो तारा हाय
सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल जी अनन्या हाय सो ये बताइए ये गाना में जब हमने देखा इतना फन हो रहा है तो आप बताइए जब शूट हो रहा था तो हाउ वाज द एनवायरनमेंट कितने दिन में शूट हुआ एंड जो क्रेजीनेस और जो अभी पुनीत जी ने भी कहा था मैडनेस उसके बारे में आप ही थोड़ा बहुत डिस्क्राइब कीजिए हाउ वाज इट ट्रैम्पोलिन के ऊपर एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट वाज इट
बहुत ही मज़ेदार एक्सपीरियंस रहा खासकर क्योंकि it was towards the end of our shooting of the whole film and I thought it was just one big celebration, you know, it felt like a rap party and honestly पुनीत सर ने 4 days schedule किया ये गाने का shoot के लिए and we had finished it in about 2.5-3 days. So I thought it was great and it was just fun and it got over too soon.
तारा एंड अनन्या आप भी थोड़ा बहुत ऐड कीजिए अबाउट दिस
I think honestly Tiger's right. It was one big celebration and it was so much fun to be on the trampoline, to stomp on those grapes. It's something I don't think we get to do very often in film. So it was really fun and it was our last few days of shoot and I can't think of a better way to end Student of the Year 2 than with this celebration.
Like we really needed a party and I think this was the best party we could ask for and we had so much fun but it looks so much fun and it's the first time we're seeing it as well. So I think it's just too exciting.
टाइगर आप एक्शन तो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं डांस भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं लेकिन जब भी एक ऐसा होता है कि अ फिल्म लाइक स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वेयर इट्स मच मस्ती मजाक एंड एवरीथिंग इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव डन अर्लियर मतलब बागी होगी आउट एंड आउट एक्शन फिल्म सो वर यू लुकिंग फॉर सच अ स्क्रिप्ट जहाँ पे मतलब इट्स लाइक अ काइंड ऑफ ब्रेक फ्रॉम द एक्शन फिल्म मतलब कि इट्स नॉट ओनली मार धार इट्स समथिंग apart from that action genre? Were you looking for such script?
I was honestly, you know, and I'm very glad that I got a chance to work on Student of the Year. It's a very different world for me altogether. It's a very different character. You know, I'm not Superman. You punch me and I bleed. You know, it's not like I'm indestructible. So just very thankful that I had, you know, Karan sir and Puneet sir to guide me through the journey. And yeah, thank you, sir, for holding my hand through every scene. Yeah, because
sir, yeah.
I'm talking about you. But yeah, I'd like to, you know, say that it was I had a great time shooting the whole film, and I wouldn't say it was a breather, but it was definitely a light experience, some fun experience, and I got to meet these two.
Hi, Tiger. My questions to all of this is superb, in fact. ये वाला.
Thank you.
Congratulations. अगर आपको कोई स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल बना दिया जाए, तो what would be the thing like what you would like to add on things? इस तरह का कुछ माहौल रहेगा या कुछ आप चीज को delete करना चाहोगे? The question is to everyone.
Let's start with our principal.
Yeah, you have shown it. Puneet.
अगर मेरा कोई ऐसा स्कूल रहा तो मैं ऐसे कपड़े ज़रूर अलाउ करूँगा हर स्कूल में. That all the students should dress like this, and they should have fun. But on a very serious note, I think what we should do is definitely promote sports far more. Our film does that. It's based on sports. It's a competition. और ये सिर्फ एक स्कूल की कहानी नहीं है. जब you'll see the film, आपको you'll realize कि इसमें और भी schools हैं. So हमने sports पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की कोशिश की है, and that's what the film is about.
Yeah, Anani.
There's a lot of dancing, so I feel like dance would be something I would emphasize in my school experience at least. So yeah, a lot of dancing.
Tiger.
I think both of them sort of just said what I was going to say. हालांकि एक बैलेंस भी तो होना चाहिए स्टडीज और स्पोर्ट्स के बीच में, तो थोड़ा स्टडीज भी थोड़ा फोर्स करता मैं स्टूडेंट्स को.
हमारी फिल्म में लोग पढ़ते भी हैं
Yeah, I
एक्चुअली, वो
swear
दिखाया
that
नहीं हमने
books-
कहीं, पर वो है
books in the
थोड़ा.
film.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
swear.
Tara, what's your?
I mean, I've grown up in the arts, so I think if I could change something, also like in the film, in a school that I was a part of, I would definitely involve the arts more, because I love that we push academia so much, but I think that music and dance are so important, like in our film. So music and dance would be pushed in my school for sure.
Puneet, my questions to you. ये थोड़ी inspired थी जो जीता वो सिकंदर से, because this is more on a larger scale, but then एक थोड़ी झलक शायद हमें वो थोड़ी याद दिला देती है.
So inspired by Student of the Year 1. Yeah, that's the only film in that.
Hi, my question is for Tara and Ananya.
Hi.
How difficult is it to shoot a dance number with Tiger, because he's the best?
It's.
I'm not the best.
He
man.
is
I'm
the
not
best.
He's the best, he's the
Honestly,
best.
he's the
नहीं,
best.
ऋतिक रोशन भी है, शाहिद कपूर भी है, I'm
Okay.
वरुण धवन भी है.
Wonderful.
I'm
Happy birthday. Varun.
5th or 6th.
Tiger, you're on a different level altogether.
Thank you,
You
that's very
have to
kind.
admit
Thank
that.
you.
Yeah, we really tried to match up to him. I think it's impossible to. So I think we focus more on the masala and the latak jhatak and all. So
I think
tried to do
we
that.
all of us complement each other really
Yeah,
well
yeah.
in the film, and
Yeah.
hopefully you guys agree that in the song it's all turned out really great. So I think we complement each other well.
Hi, Tiger. Hi.
Hi.
I believe you have done a song with Alia Bhatt, a promotional song.
Yes.
So how is it? How was the experience?
Am I allowed to say yes? I am.
You have said.
I am.
Both the girls next to you are heartbroken.
It was a very, very fun experience. It was a very different sort of a song that I've shot. I personally haven't done something like that before, and working with Alia was an amazing experience. Her being such a big star, it was just so easy to work with. She was being so open on set and so hardworking, even after achieving so much. So it was really inspiring being around her.
Because when we met her recently, she said that I'm not a dancer, unlike she mentioned Varun Dhawan and you, unlike Tiger and Varun. So she doesn't have the dancers, that body. So.
No, I'm pretty sure she'll prove you guys wrong in this song. She's done a great job.
And
So-
Puneet, sorry, yeah. I wanted to ask you, a few months back, last year, we saw a video with Kareena Kapoor telling you that maybe Taimur can do Soti 10. So how would you react to that?
I'm hoping you guys like this film, and that's when we can take the franchise further. And if we do manage to go to Soti 10, I'm sure that would be Taimur. Yeah.
Hi
Puneet,
guys, my question is to you guys. Student of the Year जो थी उसमें Varun made his debut in Bollywood, and today it's his birthday. So any wishes for the first Student of the Year?
From all of us.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Varun.
Varun.
We love you.
And also
Puneet,
Tiger, you're a very big.
आपसे सवाल है जो स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 1 थी
वो गॉसिप गर्ल जो है उससे थोड़ी इंस्पायर्ड या अडॉप्ट कह सकते हैं, वो स्टोरी थी, स्टूडेंट लाइफ दिखाई थी। क्या ये स्टोरी भी किसी स्टोरी से इंस्पायर्ड है?
Not really, ma'am. I don't know about Student 1 in that sense also, but this film is not that zone. ये अपने आप की एक कहानी है जहाँ Student 1 ख़त्म हुई थी, it kind of takes off from there, पर कहानी similar नहीं है किसी से। ये अपनी एक अलग कहानी है, and जब वो film देखेंगे that time I think you'll see that then.
टाइगर, आपसे एक और सवाल है। आपकी जितनी भी फिल्में हम देख रहे हैं उन सभी में एक्शन है कंटिन्यू। कोई आप ऐसी फिल्म करेंगे आने वाले समय में, या फिर अपना थोड़े फोटे चेंज करेंगे आने वाली फिल्मों में? क्योंकि लगातार हम एक्शन देखते आ रहे हैं आपकी।
फिलहाल तो नहीं मैम, मार धाड़ पसंद है मुझे।
Tiger, you're a very big fan of Spider-Man, and Avengers is gonna release next week.
Oh yeah.
How excited are you, and are you looking forward to the film? And
Oh,
also
I'm
the ladies
super
can
excited. I'm almost as excited as I am for Avengers than Student of the Year 2. So I'm very, very excited.
हमें भी मार धाड़ बहुत पसंद है।
No, I mean first Student of the Year 2, then Avengers. But I'm very, very
Yeah,
excited.
correct. Yeah.
And yeah, I said it correctly, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Okay.
मेरा सवाल पुनीत से है। पुनीत ही है। अगर टाइगर का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अभी तक का देखें तो उन्होंने सोलो ही फिल्म्स की हैं, दो हीरो वाली फिल्म्स भी नहीं की, मल्टी स्टारर भी नहीं की। क्या यही वजह है कि आपको इसमें कुछ तब्दीलियां करनी पड़ी थी स्टोरी के लेवल पे? मैंने कुछ ऐसा सुना है कि स्टोरी पहले दो हीरो वाली थी इसमें भी, लेकिन आपने चेंज की क्योंकि टाइगर इसमें आए।
नहीं मैम, ऐसे नहीं था। हमेशा से दो हीरोइंस थी, दो लड़कियां थी और एक लड़का था। तो ये स्टोरी तो हमेशा रही है। It's always been about this one boy and his journey. His journey and where both his love interests come in. Yeah.
टाइगर, this side.
Sorry.
टाइगर, ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का जो फर्स्ट फ्रेंचाइजी था उसमें वरुण थे, सेकंड में आप हैं, तो आप दोनों हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, टैलेंटेड हैं, लेकिन आप दोनों का फिल्मी कनेक्शन है, वरुण का भी फिल्मी कनेक्शन है, आपका भी है।
जी।
तो धर्मा प्रोडक्शन से बड़ा जो प्रोडक्शन हाउस है वो जो है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि जो आउटसाइडर्स हैं उनको भी मौका मिलना चाहिए काम करने का?
I think काफ़ी मौका मिल रहा है। I think हर किसी के लिए मौका है in the industry, खासकर क्योंकि it's the small screens are also opening, you know, to a lot of talent. So there's like Netflix, Amazon, as well as, you know, the big screen films. So I think there's opportunities for everybody nowadays. And if you're talented and you do good work, work comes to you. It's as simple as that.
And if you work hard, I can elaborate on that point. When we were really casting for Student of the Year, the idea was to get Tiger on board, and he was gracious enough to do it because I genuinely believe that no one has a skill set over here that Tiger has, and he solely lifts the level of the competition. So it's actually more than talent, it's his hard work. अगर shooting 5 बजे सुबह होती थी, वो 4 बजे जिम में होता ही होता था, and because of which we all had to pull up our socks.
Yeah, we all had to go.
मेरा सवाल है पुनीत से। मोस्टली बड़े प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर रमजान पीरियड में अपनी फिल्म रिलीज करने से कतराते हैं, लेकिन आप रिलीज कर रहे हो, क्या रीजन है?
Sir, we are banking on the film. We are happy about the product we've made, and we are hoping कि लोग आए थिएटर में फिल्म देखें. That's pretty much all we have.
टाइगर यहाँ पे,
We'll take.
यहाँ पे आपका जो सॉन्ग है द जवानी सॉन्ग, उसको मतलब बहुत पसंद किया गया, एंड रणधीर कपूर उन्होंने भी कहा कि इट्स गुड कि यू नो ओल्ड क्लासिकल्स आर बीन रीमिक्स्ड, एंड ही आल्सो लाइक्ड इट। जगू दादा का क्या रिस्पांस रहा है, मतलब आप बताइए, बिकॉज आपने कहा था कि मैंने तब नहीं बताया था, इट्स लाइक अ सरप्राइज फॉर हिम। सो आप बताइए कि व्हाट वाज द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन यू एंड योर डैड?
मुझे बाद में पता चला कि यू नो आर.डी. बर्मन जी इज हिज फेवरेट कंपोजर, एंड ये जवानी इज वन ऑफ हिज फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स. So he was pleasantly surprised that this song was part of the film, and he saw us performing, and he's in awe. He loved the you know, the remake we had done, and he was very proud and happy. बहुत खुश थे.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have been awesome. देखो मैं एकदम चुप हो गया यार जाते जाते. Ananya and Tara, one last question for you, both of you. How did your friends react to not just the trailer but you working with Tiger? मतलब क्या excitement था वो बता दो बस.
Super jealous, obviously, that we got to work with Tiger, and yeah, they were like, send us pictures, what are you all doing, this, that, and also they were very jealous.
So were they after your life कि कुछ leak करो ना, कुछ दिखाओ ना, क्या होने वाला है फिल्म में and all? Tara?
I
don't think they were after my life for leaking pictures. When we met in person, then I'd show them stuff sneakily. But they were very, very, very.
How did you manage that? How did you manage that?
Yeah, we were not allowed to keep
Yeah.
any content.
Like behind the scenes, whatever we took with you only, Puneet.
अब बाद में बात करेंगे इसकी backstage. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have been amazing, and congratulations one more time.
Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, sir.
photo करते हैं.
It's time for a quick photo op.
और मशहूर करे दुनिया का टूर तेरी स्टोरियां हक जाए सब चूर तेरी मस्ती खत्म नहीं हो
Solos also, so आराम से.
मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदियां मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदियां
रात भर नहीं सोनिया
रात भर नहीं सोंदियां
अरे उनका मुंडी आना ना अरे सामने नारा यहाँ नारा या सेंटर डाउन डाउन नितिन सर नारा यहाँ पे सामने ओ नितिन सर ओ नितिन सर ओ नितिन सर पांडे जी ओ नितिन सर थोड़ा सेंटर ए गने यहाँ पे वो तो भी अभी इधर इधर आइए थोड़ा सा इधर आइए ये कैमरे की तरफ आइए आरती पार्टी उनके पास देखा तो सब लोग के पास देखा पांडे जी सोलो पांडे जी यहाँ पे पांडे जी सामने पांडे जी यहाँ पे अनन्या अनन्या यहाँ पे सर अनन्या होल्ड ऑन नो सेल्फी नो सेल्फी नो सेल्फी नो सेल्फी टाइगर ये टाइगर सेंटर 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 ये टायर किधर है गिरा हुआ पीछे लगा
अरे बाद में लो यार सेल्फी यार अरे भाई सेल्फी वाले को आने इधर अरे सेल्फी बाद में इधर इंतजार कर रहे यार स्विमिंग पूल पे लो ना अरे भाई बहुत धूप है उधर अच्छा लगेगा ना पीछे आ जाओ हेलो राइट अनन्या टाइगर सेंटर ऑल ऑफ यू हियर यहां पर अनन्या लुक सेंटर तारा सेंटर तारा लुक सेंटर मैम तारा जी तारा भर्ती कार्ड मैम यहाँ से चालू कर अनन्या 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 सेंटर अनन्या लुक बड़ा बड़ा स्टार है